Hi guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we're going to be learning how to download and install fonts on our device. My name is Rosemary Oka. I remain your tutor. Let's get started. So first, we'll go to the website dafont.com. So this is a website where you can have access to as many fonts as you want, free, and you can download as many as you want. So it is totally free. You're paying nothing for it. There are various family of fonts, various designs. Just any font you want is available here. So these are the various fonts that are available. You can see, if you zoom in, you can see different families that are listed here: fancy, foreign look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, impact, holiday. You can have access to downloading fonts with their names. So we have A, B, C to Z. So if you let's click on C, then you can see fonts that are with the name C. You can have access to them. So there are so many things that you can do here. So let's just go back to the front page. Okay, so we're going to be downloading one of these fonts and we're going to be installing it on our device. So we'll download Sweet Smile. Let's just go by the right hand side. You see download, and you can also see donate to author if by any means you want to donate to the author. So let's just click on download here, and it's going to download. You can see it. We're going to click on download. The file is downloading. Now it has downloaded. You're going to click on open on your device. Now it's going to show you copy or extract files. Because it is a zip file, we're going to extract it to a folder. So click on extract file, then we extract it to a folder. Now we're going to use a folder download here. Just click on download, then click on extract here. Extract. Now the file is going to extract, and when it's done, okay, you can see finish extracting. Beautiful. So next thing is to go to our Pixellab application and see the file. So we're going to click on Pixellab. Okay. Now this is our application. Let's just use this. So this is the font. This is a particular font. Now let us go to that particular font we downloaded, which is Sweet. So go to font and go to my font. Now there are two icons here for adding fonts. So click on this, then go down to download because we extracted it to download. Now we're going to look for the file here. You can see the file we downloaded, the font we downloaded, Sweet Smile. You can see it here. So just tap on it. You see the various styles that are available for the font. So some can have up to 10 styles. All of them will be added in the family. Just add to directory and boom, you can see Sweet Smile here. So just click on it to use it and click on OK, and boom, this is it. So this is how you can easily download and install fonts on your device. Very easy to use, very easy. See you guys in the next class. I remain your host, Rosemary Oka.